We are dipping into some new products today, and I am so excited about that. We're gonna do some chocolate brown eyes using the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Mattes in Chocolate. Also, we are trying out the Patrick Ta Shimmer. This cost me a pretty penny, so it better be worth the hype or else it's heading right back to Sephora. It's still at the club. This was the first shade that I was actually really interested in when they first came out. I don't think I have anything like it. Let's go right with this guy. I put a little bit there. I'm going in with a flat brush and I just have a little bit. I don't know what the drying, so I'm gonna do one eye at a time. So I'll do this eye on camera and then I'll do the other side. Let's start blending that. There's nothing on this blending brush. Keep blending that out until you are completely happy with your blend. We are gonna add a powder on top, so I just need to find a really nice chocolate brown, which palette that would be in. I'm gonna go in with a brown on top of it. So I'm just gonna keep applying that until I am satisfied with the amount that I am adding. And I will continue blending it out as well with my separate blender brush. For the star of the show, we're gonna go in with both of them. I don't really see it. I think because I wanted it to be like a dark smoky with the shimmer. Like on hand and finger, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. I don't know if it's worth it. My conclusion on this is that I don't know if this shade is actually worth it. This is what it looks like. And I feel like other products much cheaper can kind of do the same thing. I think it's pretty if I were not to do a smoky eye or like a glitter glue to see maybe if it stands out more with a glitter glue. I'm just gonna try it on the back of my hand first. So put that down. I'm gonna massage that to my hands. Now let's try it on top of the glitter glue. And it gives you more of a foil. Not impressed. Let me put on some glitter glue and let's try it on the... It's a little bit better. But I feel like that I can do with any sort of glitter from my collection. So this is not the greatest if you're doing a smoky eye. I don't really like... No. I personally think that's going back. It's not worth it. For me, it's not worth it. For somebody else, it might be worth it. I can create this with any sort of glitter that I have. Let's finish the eyes. I'm going in with my Makeup by Mario Black. I'm more of a black. Now, I'm gonna do lashes and I think I'll be back with the entire look. And this is the finished makeup look with a majority of my new products. I feel like everything was a hit except for the Patrick eyeshadow shimmers. The whole look came out amazing. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed.